Thanks for coming out and celebrating the completion of this project, getting to see this new wonderful building.
Thank you to everyone who has supported this. We're so lucky to have a community that supports us and trusts us to think about what is best for kids and those opportunities and growth.
This shows an investment in you as a student, so the community and the school district invest in you as a student, and that's a pretty good thing to feel.
I want to recognize that this is the end piece or the capstone of a 10-year site master plan that was developed to address the growth in our district.
Previously, if you didn't know, Prairie Delta was located on Kirkwood's campus. So while we were connected to the high school and a program of the high school, sometimes just some logistical things made it a little bit harder to be connected to everything we wanted to be connected to. So with us being right over here at this south entrance, it's much easier to walk through, use the link if we need to, walk around. And we're right there with programs and classes and other things that we need to be connected to.
I want to thank our Board of Education. There's several members.
Carl A. Nelson Company was our construction manager, and they were tasked with keeping this project on schedule and cost, and they did a great job on that. I want to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our construction team. In total, 18 prime contractors and their skilled workers, subcontractors, and suppliers who brought this vision to life. Your expertise and efforts have truly made a difference. This would not have happened without all of you.
Our team included OPN, design engineers, structural design group, hall engineers. Together, we are very excited for the opportunities that this building will offer the Prairie School District for years to come. 1, 2, 3.